Wameshalipia na mochwari. Jamani.
I wonder.
Yani kuna Wakenya tayari wameshajipeleka mbinguni wenyewe. Tayari wameshaandika usia, wameshajipeleka mbinguni wenyewe.
Yeah?
Kenya is giving me the worth of my data. I like the energy, they go wow, wow, wow. Nigeria, you too. 30 days challenges, so no. I'll get one when I defeat you. Why celebrities not talking first? Celebrities should be talking first. Why celebrities are wicked? Who will talk first? Who will talk first? Look at Kenya. Look at Kenya using inhaling tear gas. Oh God, they are chasing it. They are saying, do your worst now. Here we did. It's our country. Period. Soldier go wipe them parts, they go chest down, they go shoot bullets, they go dodge. You see, that is what I said. We don't go get one, we don't go get down. That is how it should be. And it's one person, the government will win. And it's everybody, the government will run. Oh God. When they reach my turn, they go say, hey, they don't pay our money. One idiot will come from nowhere. I say, hey, they protest, they don't pay our money. I want to go to Kenya. African leaders don't deserve peace. You want to come and say again, hey, now Igbo people, they gather do more. Hey, Yoruba not join, Hausa not join that time. Hey, why they want? And disunity, they smell. People are the reason why we are where we are. Imagine Yoruba come outside and say, why they do Igbo man like this? Hausa come outside and say, why they do Yoruba like this? We're not agree. Oh God! Nigeria, that great day when it go be see Kenya and trenches. Imagination what can be. We'll look at the military and say, step aside. Give us chance. You're not our problem. But if you see it's no wala, we'll pass through you.
Bwana 254 mwanangu. Watu wanaweza kufanya maandamano jenzi fulani kinyamwezi kabisa, ila pia watu wana hafani mwanangu. Tuone mnyamwezi mwanangu. Wenzio wanaandamana, anacheza Sensema, wanacheza Kenya Gome. Oyo! Let's go. Oyo! Man, I like the waves in Jamaica, man. I like it. Oh, hey. Hey, I am. Madensa na watakuwa madensa tu mwanangu. Ameshabila jela. Oyo. What a big time, son. I like the way vijana walivyoamka 254, vijana wana muziki, dancers na watu kibao mzee ambao wameshow love mzee. They fight for their country mzee. So I support them. God bless 254 Kinyamwezi kabisa reggae.
Ongea na huyu soja kule ndo tumeanza hii mambo. Ndo tunaanza kula tu. Tutakuwa siku mrefu. Bado kula tu. Hatujachoka.
Demeshete. All right. So in this video, a Kenyan Gen Z, you know the protest now. So a Kenyan Gen Z had to offer food to the military guys. Baba, take or eat. It was like take, eat, because it's gonna be a long day. That's the thing. Like, you will need strength. Today is going to be a long day. So eat first, chop. Pelefu, me you day, me your mind day. It was like, don't worry, this is not bribe. This is not bribe. If you still have it in mind to shoot anybody, you will shoot. Don't worry. But eat first. To have mind, so that you have energy and strength, so that you can have energy to to withstand what's coming. That's can we hire these guys? Maybe we should hire these guys to come and help us protest in Nigeria. Sometimes like this, we just come and we protest together and they help us. You know, they help us, we protest. See people. One time, guys. Like I always say, guys, please stay safe. Just stay safe. No matter what you're doing, stay safe out there. Remember, I love you and stay strong. God bless you. God bless me. God bless everybody. Cousins.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache me. Yeah.
Hello, my fellow Nigerians. Now see waiting they happen for Kenya. I know they see. Now they see them. They buy just one person, a teacher, where they kidnap for a house. Where police go kidnap because say he talk rude to police online. They carry him, beat him, buy him. People they street they protest for one person. The second day they can't buy another person where they sell masks. We no even join the protest at all. We just sell masks. Police buy him at a close range. People for Kenya, everybody there on the street they protest. They don't even mind if they won't die or live. And so all these people don't they pay people where they work for obituary, where they do obituary, say if they buy you, may them use this picture for their obituary. People where they work for mortuary, say if they die, you may them take payments for where they go keep them. Say they don't mind if they die or not. That is just 2 persons where they buy for Kenya. They buy 200 people for Nigeria. Nobody they protest, nobody they talk. Everybody just they do like say no. They no consign them. More they pray, may God they protect us, may Nigeria no happen to us. But you see this country, Nigeria, you know feel better for that country. Because the betterness is going to start from me and you, and none of us is talking. All of us, we just they look. We look, we they throw away, we they look, we they forget.
Tuachane na mambo ya taifa teule na Waajemi. Leo nchini Kenya kuna maandamano ya Gen Z yakiadhimisha au wakifanya anniversary ya maandamano ya Gen Z walioyafanya last year. Maandamano yao walioyafanya last year, kama ulikuwa umepitwa au ulikuwa unashindwa kufuatilia, yalikuwa yanahusu wao kupinga bajeti iliyokuwa imeazimiwa na kupitishwa na bunge, ambayo ndani yake rais alikuwa amependekeza ongezeko la kodi kwa ajili ya kubeba matumizi ya serikali. Hivyo vijana wakawa wanaona hii ongezeko linalokuwepo huko ndani linaenda kutuathiri zaidi sisi kama vijana tunaoenda kulipa hizi kodi ambako hatuna ajira, and so. Unajua changamoto nyingi za vijana zinazowakabili. Sasa wao wakachagua njia ya maandamano, wakafanya maandamano, vurugu zikatokea. Katikati ya vurugu hizo walifariki vijana 60 takriban. Yani hiyo ni minimum amount ambayo watu wanaikadiria. 60 walifariki kutokana na maandamano yale ambayo ulikuwa na majibizano ya violence, na ni yale maandamano ambayo waliingia wale vijana mpaka bungeni kwenye viti vya bunge kwamba wanataka rais aondoke madarakani kwa sababu ya hiyo bajeti ambayo ilikuwa inaenda kupitishwa. Leo wamefanya tena maandamano ya kuwaenzi wale waliofariki. Hiko ndicho ambacho wanaharakati walikuwa wanakisema jana mtandaoni, kwamba wanawaomba vijana na wananchi leo wawepo barabarani, wakutane, wakaadhimishe vifo vya wale watu 60 waliokuwa wamefariki mwaka jana. Na as we are speaking, walipofika barabarani wakawa na mabango ya Ruto must go, yani Ruto aondoke madarakani, awapishe. Sasa nataka sisi kama Watanzania tufanye reflection na jumuiya yote Afrika Mashariki. Maandamano yaliyofanyika mwaka jana ambayo yamegharimu maisha ya watu 60 tena vijana, je, yameleta manufaa gani kwa taifa la Kenya? Yale maisha ya watu 60 yameleta manufaa yoyote? Uhai wa watu 60 ambao ulichukuliwa umeleta manufaa yoyote? Kwa sababu watu wamekuwa kama sacrifice sasa. Kama watu walikufa kwenye haya maandamano, maana watu walikuwa wamejitoa muhanga ili wapate mabadiliko. Je, mabadiliko walioyataka wameyapata? Na leo hii wanapoenda kuandamana tena, wanatarajia kuleta mabadiliko gani ndani ya taifa la Kenya? Je, hiyo ndiyo njia pekee ya kupata mabadiliko? Naomba nipate mtazamo wenu leo kwenye comment section. Leo mimi sina neno.
Pay tax, no problem. You see why I can't stop talking about you guys? Because the kind of things that you guys do, like, I'm overwhelmed. I've never seen them before. So I'm surprised. I'm baffled when I see them. The kind of things that you guys do. Like, what the heck? What the fuck?
I graduated.
Hey. Wait. Now I want to ask. This tear gas now. Are they not real?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Are the tear gas they use over there, like, are they not real? Because the tear gas I know, the one I once inhaled, just the small F here, this place, it was like they knocked me something here. Guys, you guys are now doing a table tennis with this thing. You're now playing table tennis with tear gas. You give me, I give you. You give me, I give you. You give And someone will now ask me, why are you always praising Kenya? I praise them because they deserve it. They deserve it. What they do, the rest of us can't do it. Yeah, see, things that they do, other people cannot do it. So just give them their accolade. Give people their flower when they earn it. So that's why I'm giving them their flower. These guys deserve every flower, you understand? So because the kind of things this guy does, I don't know. We cannot try out this thing here. How? Who born you? Guys, them man shete.
I'm here after seeing the maandamano from Kenya. Na nikasema jamani, those people have the courage. But don't try it at home. I'm not laughing, like I enjoy. No, they are very serious, but don't try it at home. Tanzanians, don't try it at home. Simnajua FFU. Marungu haya. Hapa. Unabakia kama unacheza isondo. Iligo vile. Wewe. Don't try it at home. Yani kama ushai kukutana na wale majamaa hivi. Au ushai kuyatimba. My baby, don't try it at home. You will suffer. Kwanza, there is nobody gonna support you. I'm telling you. Don't try it at home. This country is not for the man. They gonna wait. Acha usiandamane tu. Msogelee kama vile wanaposogelea wakwao. Ilo makate. Guys, don't try it at home. Sio mkarewa. Mzee ngona ni kitu cha kawaida. Oh, I'm done. Thank you very much.